Good morning, dear students. Today I will tell you about how to improve your communication skills. Yesterday I have given you topic to tell the summary about the chapter. But there are many persons, they were coming here, but they were hesitating a lot. Why? Because it shows the lack of confidence. Each and every person, all the person who are sitting in my class, each and every person want to speak. Nobody is present here who is not trying. But they are not getting proper motivation. They are not get proper direction. So they are not doing so. So I am present here to give you some tips. How to use, how to speak with confidence, how to speak with fluency. First thing, you have to listen. You have to develop your listening skills. If your teacher is teaching you, you have to listen carefully. But it is common that somebody is teaching, any student is speaking, other students, they are busy in mugging, they are busy in their books, they are busy in their notes. So it should not be done. Second thing, speaking. Speaking, there are many persons, they create a lot of notes. Don't think about them. You have to create the thoughts. Only thoughts you have to create in your mind. Because it is our tendency that we are living in India. We always think that we have to speak, but we never care about it. We have to create the thoughts in English, not in Hindi, because we always translate in our mind. It is the reason that we are not able to speak properly. If we are thinking English, we always speak. Second thing, we have to use the small sentences in our daily life. Just like suppose that I am saying, if you, after departure, you reach at your home, what you will say at your home? Mummy, खाने में क्या क्या है? If mummy told you, लौकी बनी है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? तुम्हारा मुंह भी लौकी की तरह हो गया. What you will say? You have to say what is menu. Menu is there. Menu word that indicates to all things that is prepared by your mother. Second thing, vocabulary is must. If you have a lot of vocabs, you can speak a lot. If you have no vocab, you don't know what you will speak, because sometimes you are getting a chance to speak, but you are standing, you have no thoughts, you have no words, you are thinking and you are seeing on the ceiling. It doesn't mean that anything is written on the ceiling. So a lot of problem you have faced. In communication, what is communication? Communication is a mixture of all things. Words, language. Language is maybe any language. It may be English, it may be Hindi, it may be Spanish. If any language you are learning, you have to learn about grammar. But you surprise, the person who are the native of England, the person who are the native of America, they never focus on grammar because it is their mother tongue. In mother tongue, they never think because it is their daily language to speak. They never focus on grammar. But here, it is our tendency that we learn a lot about grammar. So in my opinion, if you will focus on this, so you will learn a lot. Have you heard the name of William Shakespeare? William Shakespeare was that person who wrote 37 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 narrative poems. But he has only 3,000 words. If he has written this, why can you not? Again and again you can learn. Don't think that you have to revise again and again. You have to learn 5 words daily. If 5 words daily you will learn, you have to make the sentence. You have to talk to your friends daily. Means there is no need to learn it. It will come, it will feed in your mind. If you will use in daily language, daily sentences, you are using this. And 5 words means in whole month 150 words. And in whole year 1800 words. Means if you are studying in 11th class till 12th class, 3600, more than 600 to William Shakespeare. But nobody think about this. They never try to speak. At this time I am speaking. You can listen, but after some time You will not do about this. You always leave. You always think what I will do, what is said by my teacher. You never think about this. So my motto is this, that how to develop, how to improve. It is the reality. Because nobody is present here to direct you. Everybody will focus on their subjects. But it is my subjects. I am not a contractor. But I am that person who is determined to do something for you. It is not the subject. My subject is only literature. I am teaching you, but it is not a subject to improve. It is beyond my subject that I am saying to you, you have to improve. If you are not doing, it is not my fault. I am not saying that everybody should be perfect, but I have to try. It is my duty to try. So I am doing. Have you heard the name of many coachinges in Kota, Alan, Akash? There are many. How many students are studying there? A lot of students are studying there. But how many are getting success? Less. Only less. Because more than 1 lakh students are studying in Akash or Alan. But only 5,000, 10,000 they are getting success. And their pictures are printed on their advertisement. So we always attractiveness. And we get admission. But we don't know about our capabilities. You can find a lot of persons of your school. They are also studying in Kota. There are many persons. They are only fooling their parents. They are only behaving not properly. They are only saying that they are studying there. But after some time they return here and they are getting admission in SS College. You will be surprised about this. Because if suppose that you are focusing on your subject, you will be surprised about this. If you are studying properly from 9 to 12, there is no need to take any coaching. I know one student named Pranjal Agarwal, who was one of my favorite student. He was studying in here, and when I was studying in 12th class, he got 5,000 rank. Not more than 5,000, but in general, in IIT, and district topper in CBSE in 12th class. And he was from SSMB. And you will be surprised, he left the seat of IIT and he joined BITS planning because it was his family tradition. His father was also joined BTech from BITS planning, so he was doing. And after completing BTech, he also topped in IIM in CAT exam and he got the admission in IIM Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is so famous in management. So he got there and at this time he is getting 50 lakh rupees as salary. So it is the result of his efforts. His efforts you are doing. Here a lot of persons are sitting, just like Aviraj is sitting, Kulbhushan is there, Prakhar is there, Kuldeep is there. Each and every person is there. But I am not saying that everybody can be good. But only some, 10% can be good. I am not saying 100% is there. They are listening me. Just like Aviraj is sitting there, he is not taking interest. But what is this? Somebody is listening me. If only one student is getting success, means I am giving my 100%. Because he is there. I am changing that person. So it is right. Okay? It is enough for today. Thank you so much.